Notification, Settings and Help Center. In TimeTec TA app, there are 3 types of notifications for normal users. You will receive an announcement when a new staff joined the company or a staff's birthday falls on that date. Tap on any of the announcements and you can also send a welcome message to the new employee or a birthday wish. A memo will be sent to you as well under the announcement notification. You will receive an attendance notification whenever there are tardiness in your attendance. A notification will be sent to you if your superior makes any amendments on your working schedule or a roster. You will receive an approval notification whenever your superior has responded to your request. A notification also will be sent to you when your request has expired. A click on TimeTec Leave on the main menu will lead you to TimeTec Leave app. It is a quick access to the app from the TimeTec TA application. You can submit your leave application request via mobile app. Tap the back button to go back to the TimeTec TA screen. You can view other staff details from Staff Contact menu. Tap on the menu to search the name of the staff you want to view. You can also view the staff contacts for selected organization. Tap on the organization and select the division you want to view for the staff details and tap on the Select button. You will see the number of staffs and names that list under the selected division. You can always go to Settings to view or change some of the basic functionalities of the TimeTec TA app on your mobile. Go to the menu and tap on Settings. Choose your preferred time format, date format and language for your TimeTec TA app. You can enable or disable the camera and the sound of your TimeTec TA notification. You can always visit the TimeTec website and go to Contact Us for further inquiries. This section displays the mobile ID, Android iPhone version and app version. Use this information to report a problem when you have any issues while using the TimeTec TA app on your phone. If your application version is not updated, tap on the Update Version button at the bottom right of the screen. You can always refer to the Frequently Asked Questions section if you have any queries about TimeTec TA. For more details about clocking, approval and monitoring, tap on the desired topic and you will go to the TimeTec TA technical blog screen. Visit our website at timetecta.com for more info.